Today, we are going to unveil the money laws that can transform your financial life. I will guide you through the hidden truths about money, the ones that few people know but are fundamental for anyone seeking a prosperous life. Understanding money goes far beyond simply counting notes and coins. It's about understanding how it can be a powerful tool to achieve freedom, tranquility, and success. No matter how much you earn now or your level of education, what you're about to discover is valuable for everyone. If you're ready to learn how to make money work for you, stay with me until the end, because these are the 5 money laws that can change everything. To begin, let's understand the first law of money. It is essentially a representation of the value of your work, your skills, and your ability to offer something to the world. Think of the money you earn as a kind of certificate that acknowledges the importance of what you do. When your boss pays your salary, he is actually saying, "This is the value your contribution has for our company." This makes us reflect on how the concept of value is built in our society. The evolution of money is a good example of this. In the past, people exchanged goods directly, eggs for milk, for example. Later, gold was used because it had a value associated with the effort and time needed to extract it. Then people stopped carrying gold and began using notes that represented an amount of gold kept in a bank. But in 1971, US President Richard Nixon removed the link between the dollar and gold, making money simply a piece of paper with no intrinsic value, trusted only by the government's guarantee. And why is it important to know this? Because when we understand that money is a representation of value, we can think about how to increase the value we bring to the world and, consequently, increase our financial reward. To be truly prosperous, you must focus not on working more hours, but on offering more value. It's about being smarter, not just working harder. With this, infinite possibilities arise to make money work for you and not the other way around. The second law of money states that it rewards the value you offer, not the raw effort. This is a crucial point because for a long time, many people believed that the harder you work, the more money you earn. However, if that were true, manual workers would be the richest in society. What really matters is not the physical effort, but the unique value you are able to deliver. There are 3 main types of work: manual labor, busy work, and thinking work. Manual labor involves physical effort, like construction work, which is generally less financially valued. Busy work is office work, involving data analysis, customer service, etc., and has an intermediate remuneration. Thinking work, however, involves innovation, strategy, and creating new solutions. This type of work is where the great potential for wealth lies, because you are creating value on a large scale. Let's think of a practical example. When you go to a restaurant and pay for a meal, you are paying for the value the restaurant offers. It's not just the cost of the ingredients or the chef's effort, but the experience of being in a comfortable place with good service and having a delicious meal prepared for you. If the restaurant owner wants to make more money, he must think about how he can offer more value to his customers. It could be a differentiated recipe, a better environment, or faster service. It's this ability to add value that makes people willing to pay more. So, how can you apply this to your life? Start thinking about how you can transform your work. Instead of just working more hours, focus on improving your skills, offering a differentiated service, or finding a more efficient way to solve problems. The key is to be strategic and generate value that makes a difference. The third law of money is that true wealth brings freedom. Often, people believe that being rich is having many possessions, a luxury car, a huge house, expensive clothes. But the truth is that wealth is much more than owning material objects. It is about having the freedom to do what you want without being tied to a job you hate or overwhelming financial obligations. Imagine you have 1 million reais. This amount seems huge, but if you spend 100,000 reais per month, your money will run out in less than a year. Now imagine another situation. Your monthly expenses are 3,000 reais, but you have investments that generate passive income of 3,500 reais every month. In this case, you are financially free because your assets cover your expenses, and this gives you the freedom to make choices without constant worries. To achieve this financial freedom, it is essential to invest in assets that generate passive income. It could be buying properties to rent, investing in stocks, or even in cryptocurrencies. The idea is to build a solid base of assets that support your lifestyle and allow you to be free to do whatever you want. True freedom is having control over your time, and this is only possible when your money works for you. The fourth law of money says it needs clear instructions. Imagine money as an employee you hired. If you don't tell it what to do, it will stay idle, not producing anything of value. To be financially successful, you need to be able to tell your money exactly what it should do. A simple method to manage your money is the 70-15-10-10 plan. It consists of dividing your income as follows: 70% for your daily expenses, 15% for investments, and 10% for savings or an emergency fund. This helps ensure that you are always making your money grow and that you are prepared for any unexpected event. It might seem difficult to live on just 70% of what you earn, but think of it as a challenge, like an extra tax. If the government increased taxes, you would find a way to adjust, right? So why not adjust to ensure your own security and financial future? When you invest part of your income, you are planting a seed that will grow and bear fruit in the future. If you think you don't earn enough to invest, it's important to understand that any amount can be a start. Even if you can only invest 50 reais a month, that is a beginning. And the habit of investing is more important than the initial amount. The important thing is to start, because this creates a positive cycle in which your money is always being directed to grow. Finally, let's talk about the fifth law of money, the role it plays in our lives. Many people say that money does not bring happiness, and in a way this is true. Money alone does not guarantee joy, but it is fundamental to provide us with security and peace, allowing us to focus on the things that truly matter. I like to think of life as a quadrangular pyramid composed of 4 pillars: physical, mental, spiritual, and financial health. Money, in this context, is just one of the pillars, but if it is compromised, it can destabilize all the others. For example, if you are constantly worried about debts, this will affect your mental health and, consequently, your physical health. Money, therefore, must be seen as a means, not an end. It is the tool that allows us to take care of ourselves, our families, and our communities. It is what makes it possible to fulfill dreams, like giving a good education to children, taking care of parents in old age, or simply providing experiences that bring happiness. That is why it is important to have a healthy relationship with money. We must learn to use it in a balanced way, avoiding spending more than we earn, but also avoiding depriving ourselves of everything in the name of savings. Balance is the key to a full life and true prosperity. I hope these 5 laws have opened your mind to the importance of understanding how money works and how we can make it work in our favor. Remember that money is a powerful tool, but it needs to be well used. Understanding that it is a representation of the value we offer, that it rewards value, not effort, that it brings freedom, that it needs clear instructions, and that it must be balanced in our lives, are the essential steps to achieving financial prosperity and the freedom we all desire. If you enjoyed this content and think it can help others transform their financial lives, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Share it with friends and family who can also benefit from this information. Let's build a more prosperous and free future together. See you in the next video. where we will further explore the fascinating world of personal finance. Thank you for watching.